RJon, Erika, how does your mindset help you or hurt you when you're scared?
How does your mindset help you or hurt you when you're scared?
Yeah.
Well, Mike Tyson said, everyone's got a plan till they get punched in the face. And General Eisenhower said, plans are meaningless. Planning is everything. And so there's things that you can, and I would argue should, prepare yourself for, that is going to scare you in business, and you can begin to develop and practice mindset exercises in preparation, so that when, not if, scary things happen in your business and in your life, your mindset doesn't completely collapse and start sabotaging you. And the thing is, you don't feel like your mindset is sabotaging you and collapsing in the moment. In the moment when it happens, you think that, oh, I'm doing the very reasonable, responsible, rational thing. You just don't realize your mindset is just completely collapsed. So one of the things that...
Is this something that you could teach in the year-long program?
If we decide to do the year-long program, you mean?
Yes.
Which we still have not decided to do. Yeah. I think we're getting closer, but we haven't decided yet.
I hope you do it.
I think it'll really depend on demand. Like, if I gotta work to sell this thing, I'm not gonna do it. I'm only gonna do it as a gift. If I don't have to work to give the gift to people. Yeah, I mean, that's part of the practical application of mindset is preparing yourself. So like in The Princess Bride. In The Princess Bride, there's a scene where Wesley does the test with the genius, and they test each other, and it's the battle of wits. And Wesley challenges him to a battle of wits. And the genius is like much smarter than Wesley. The only problem is that Wesley was more prepared than the genius, because he said he spent the last 2 years developing an immunity to wherever the poison was. Iocane. Funny how these things stick in my mind. Iocane. And the genius, as smart as he was, just wasn't as prepared for the practical realities of a battle for wits. This is why you see like so many really smart people who do tons and tons of mindset, but they don't do the right practical real world exercises with mindset and preparation. And so as soon as something scary happens, like a pandemic, like a key staff person quitting,
like a coup in their business,
like a coup in your business,
like what they perceive to be a large cash crunch or financial,
like what they perceive to be a large... I mean, I remember when, Al, you remember when like a couple $1,000 would like throw us into a tailspin?
Yeah.
And you know, like seeing a big ass barracuda.
Or the shark.
Or a shark. Well, that was a little shark.
That was a small shark, yeah.
Yeah, so I think this is something we would cover in the year-long program.
If you decide to do it.
Yeah, well, I mean, I'm not trying to be funny. I'm not trying to be facetious about it. I'm not trying to be funny or facetious about it. It's... I might do it, I might not do it. But I know what I'm definitely going to do right now.
Snorkeling.
I'm going to go snorkeling. Follow me down.
Okay.